Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tutor Trek channel. Today, our video on the history of Java, from coffee to code. History of Java. James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, and Patrick Naughton initiated the Java language project in June 1991. The small team of Sun engineers called Green Team. Initially, it was designed for small embedded systems in electronic appliances like set-top boxes. Firstly, it was called GreenTalk by James Gosling, and the file extension was GT. After that, it was called Oak and was developed as a part of the Green Project. Why Oak? Oak is a symbol of strength and chosen as a national tree of many countries like the USA, France, Germany, Romania, etc. In 1995, Oak was renamed as Java because it was already a trademark by Oak Technologies. Why had they chose the name Java for Java language? The team gathered to choose a new name. The suggested words were dynamic, revolutionary, silk, jolt, DNA, etc. They wanted something that reflected the essence of the technology. Revolutionary, dynamic, lively, cool, unique, and easy to spell, and fun to say. According to James Gosling, Java was one of the top choices along with silk. Since Java was so unique, most of the team members preferred Java than other names. Java is an island in Indonesia where the first coffee was produced, called Java coffee. It is a kind of espresso bean. Java name was chosen by James Gosling while having a cup of coffee nearby his office. Initially developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems, which is now a subsidiary of Oracle Corporation, and released in 1995. In 1995, Time magazine called Java one of the 10 best products of 1995. JDK 1.0 was released on January 23, 1996. After the first release of Java, there have been many additional features added to the language. Now Java is being used in Windows applications, web applications, enterprise applications, mobile applications, cards, etc. Each new version adds new features in Java. That's it for this Java tutorial. You've taken your first steps into the world of Java programming. Don't forget to practice and explore more advanced topics as you continue your learning journey. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more Java programming tutorials. Feel free to ask questions in the comments section below, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.